not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. Do download it. Now let's start. New Human Space Flight Center has been set up in which of the following city? Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai or Mumbai? The answer is A. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is a city in Karnataka. ISRO announces setting up of New Human Space Flight Center. The director is Unnikrishnan. I remember the director, very important. India's first manned space mission Gaganyaan project to function under this Human Space Flight Center. The expected launch date announced by ISRO is December 2021 with a 3-membered crew, and the launching vehicle would be GSLV Mark III. Many important projects and government schemes have been targeted to be completed before 2022 as India celebrates its 75th Independence Day in the year 2022. So Gaganyaan is very important topic from science and technology. Do remember each and every new development that has been taking place. Under Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act 2013, a complaint will have to be filed within how many months? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months or 4 months? The answer is C, 3 months. Now, under this Act of 2013, a complaint will have to be filed within 3 months of an incident taking place. Recently, a government subcommittee which was formed in the wake of MeToo movement proposed the waiving of the 3-month time limit. Last year, many women took to Twitter to share their personal accounts of being sexually assaulted and harassed by their colleagues and seniors. One such allegation was against former Union Minister M.J. Akbar. In this case, the actual incident happened several years ago and few incidents even took place the decades ago. Therefore, the committee proposes that there should be no time limit or time restriction at all for filing of these kind of complaints. So therefore, this act would be amended soon. Who is the chief of Dera Sacha Sauda convicted by the Special CBI Court in a murder of a journalist? Kuldeep Singh, Krishan Lal, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh or Sajjan Singh? The answer is C, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, recently convicted by the Special CBI Court in a murder of a journalist. Now, this case pertains to a murder of a journalist Ramchandra Chhatrapati in 2002. The journalist published in his newspaper a letter by an anonymous woman follower who accused Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh of rape. A Special CBI Court to announce the quantum of the sentence on Jan 17, 2019. Remember, Dera Sacha Sauda is an Indian religious group and a non-profit social welfare organization which is headquartered in Haryana. Tennis professional player Andy Murray is from which country? Sweden, Romania, Great Britain or Australia? The answer is C, Great Britain. Tennis professional Andy Murray is from Great Britain. You need to have minimum idea which player belongs to which country. This is the area where questions will be asked. Andy Murray, former world number 1, breaks down during a press conference in Melbourne. He announces the retirement after the Australian Open. He reveals that he had initially planned to quit after Wimbledon tournament but is unable to play with the pain as he had a surgery on the joint last year. Now, he is the only player to win a Grand Slam, ATP World Tour Finals, Olympic gold, master titles in a same calendar year in the year 2016. How many states signed pact for the Renukaji Dam multipurpose project? 4 states, 5 states, 6 states or 7 states? The answer is C, 6 states. 6 states have signed pact for the Renukaji Dam multi-purpose project which will be constructed on Yamuna River. Now what are these 6 states? Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Now you need to have minimum idea who are the chief ministers of these 6 states. The chief minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur. Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar. Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Which country declares 2019 as the year of tolerance? Britain, USA, China or UAE? The answer is D. UAE, United Arab Emirates, declares 2019 as the year of tolerance. The news was declared by the President of the UAE, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The leader said the year would highlight the UAE as a global capital for tolerance, instilling the values of coexistence and peace in local, regional and international communities. Now, this is the map of the UAE. It is a country in Western Asia at the southeast end of the Arabian Peninsula. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. The official language is Arabic and the current Prime Minister of UAE is Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Who became the 5th batsman to score 10,000 one-day international runs for India? Virat Kohli, M.S.Dhoni, Rohit Sharma or Cheteswar Pujara? The answer is B. M.S.Dhoni. The former Indian captain M.S.Dhoni became the 5th cricketer to score 10,000 one-day international runs for India during the first ODI match against Australia in Sydney. Now, earlier Sachin Tendulkar, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid and Virat Kohli are the 4 batsmen to score 10,000 runs for India. Who is sworn in as the President of Venezuela recently? Lopez Obrador, Nicolas Maduro, Jair Bolsonaro or Hugo Mark? The answer is B. Nicolas Maduro sworn in as the President of Venezuela. Nicolas Maduro sworn in for the 2nd time as the President. Venezuela is a country on the northeastern coast of South America. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. This is the map of Venezuela. Venezuela is located to the north of South America. Let's see the question for the day. National Youth Day is observed every year on 12th of January to commemorate the birth anniversary of which of the following leader? APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda, Indira Gandhi or Bhagat Singh? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. India loses against which of the following team in AFC Asian Cup 2019? The answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates, as rightly answered by many people in the comment section. Malayala Falguna, Rupa Ganesh, Gaurav Kumar, Shamsher Saini, Vikram, Praveen, Ramesh, Mallesh, Hari Lokesh. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. The 17th edition of AFC Asian Cup is organized by Asian Football Confederation, which is held in United Arab Emirates from 5th Jan to 1st of February. The quote for the day said by the famous Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached." So everyone has different goals in life. Always be focused and do not give up until you achieve your goals. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend and see you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.